and Jana Ejido at the sidelines. Welcome back, Neil. And first things first.
Eddie Soyud on the right side.
First pass to Tiamzon. Shoots it to Rose Doria. Try to get that conditioning, that flow back inside the Taraflex. In the meantime, Ivy Lacsina. That's inside. And Ivy Lacsina has a big task, especially with some departures. Doria Aquino dug by Ivy. The set to Tagao. Drop ball. Ishi was there. And that will be a point for Chen Tagao, according to our first referee. Cayuna, a setup to Erica Santos. That opposite spiker.
Officially her second point as a Signal HD spiker. Kaya naman pala nagmadali yung signal na makuha to after Marile.
Not with us today just yet. But you just know there's that continuity between Tagaod and Coach T. Meanwhile, Lalong isip, set back. Cayuna says, try again. Lacsina with a coverage. Tagaod will attempt. Tiamzon covers to the slide. And is there a check? Yes, there was for Jackie Acuna.
Coach of Ateneo right there. Vince Mangulabnan.
That's a stacked coaching staff.
Grabe. Ang dami pang hindi naglalaro. You have Faith Nisperos, Erica Raagas, Justin Nazareno, and Fifi Sharma. So that's a stacked lineup for the Akari Chargers.
But in the meanwhile, Ellie Soyud says, but I am right here.
Middles. Doria Aquino and Jackie Acuna already have points on the board.
The lead is back to 3. Not the best of receives. Back row soft touch for Santos. Domingo almost. A chance here for the HD Spikers. Santos from the back row.
You do not give Erica Santos an open block.
Here with 3 points now, Neil. That one lethal from the back row. This spike. 2-point lead for Akari still. Soyud drops it down.
From all corners of the court, from the front row to the back row, Ellie Soy just saw that ball behind the first line of Spikers.
And like you said, Neil, you just know Ellie Soyud's confidence is at its peak. Lacsina. Dorandes keeps it alive, but Lacsina was there with a put down. Tagaod misreceived. Chance ball signal. Cayuna the set. Erica Santos off Cayuna. Multiple free balls. A setter of that caliber.
At this point, she's just flexing her ball control.
Lacsina sending it to the back. Santos. Cal with a put up. Soyud got the check. Got a 30-point game, Neil. Question is, what's next for Ellie Soyud? Like you said, that's been the go-to play.
A quick, B quick, short slide, back. A while ago, she got blocked by the wall of Akari, but this time around, she just utilized the right hand.
Kneeling set for Tiamzon. Points right at Cayuna.
Spikers, they're just 3 points away from bagging the first set.
There's that point. Cayuna will go opposite for Erica. Lacsina covers the net. Erica reloads. Cal was there. Ravenna will give a high ball. Cayuna loves these. But Soltones was there for the coverage. Soyud will counter and puts it away.
Every time you have Ellie Soyud in the front line, you have to maximize her presence. Doria Aquino was late for the close-up. Point for Akari.
Cayuna off back. Erica Santos, welcome to the HD Spikers. So Yuna, how are you liking that chemistry so far with both Tiamzon and Erica Santos? This is the first time we are seeing this.
Sa mga galing na setter kagaya ni Jel Gayuna, kahit sino ipasok mo, makukuha din niya yung preferred sets nila. Like that. That's another point for Erica Santos. More of siya yung nag-a-adjust dun sa gusto ng spiker, not the other way around.
Toss to Ishii. Side out there.
Akari also wants to set up their middles. They really have to improve on their passing because it has been erratic.
Lalong Isip got the bounce from Soltones. Challenging the blockers. That one, a much needed point care of Soltones.
I love how Gretchen Soltones looked at the block. Gretchen Soltones looked at the block first before she made a decision on that last swing. Target was locked.
Soltones has led the charge after a slow start. A 4-0 run for Akari. And ending that run is Jackie Acuna. Slide, Domingo.
They need more of that so that they can split the blockers of the HD Spikers.
Sharp serve. No coverage there after that. This is not the first time we saw Cal be a starting setter. Tiamzon, triple block. Unfazed. Stint Tiamzon.
Automatic. She will have 4 options on the floor.
And now a lot of options with a full front line. Laxina's cross won't work. Tiamzon. There's that instinct you were talking about.
She was still there. Didn't get the perfect set. So she just went for a top. Yung mga blockers ng Akari, do we guard the middle or do we wait for a combination?
Nice defense by Ishii. As Tiamzon has been working around those blockers.
Fans na sumusuporta sa PBL, and yon, sobrang salamat po sa mga fans na dito sa Ilocos.
And finally, my day 2 pa bukas. I'm sure na meron pang mga things na gusto nyo.
Good first pass. Back set. Pangilinan was covered by Danny. Soltones with back-to-back points.
Sharp cross, good to go for Gretchen Soltones. That's back-to-back points for the Lady Beast. They need to try to get more momentum.
Cayuna looking to put an end, not just yet. Soltones, drop ball. Cayuna was ready. Pangilinan, welcome to the PBL.
Welcome to the HD Spikers. Erin Pangilinan, from being a middle blocker in the collegiate ranks to becoming an opposite hitter here in the pros.
This is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Erin Pangilinan putting an end to set number 2 as her team now with a 2 sets.
As an opposite spiker. And well, we were raving also about that opposite spiker duo sharing that duty with Erica Santos, and it is as good as advertised.
2 sets.
Tiamzon has stabilized that first ball. Transitions to a point for Rose Doria Aquino. Tied at 4. Cal. The toss for Ivy. Still no good. Santos. That set was slow for Ced Domingo.
Can also put Eli Soyud as a primary option from the back row.
Tiamzon and elevates and scores.
Just by looking at the performance of Signal, you
Coming into that next conference as they still look for their first championship. A lot of heartbreaks already for Signal, but they push forward. Isip. That one outside as well. Stabilized reception leads to that kill. Tiamzon. Soltones will serve. Tiamzon. Oh, Tiamzon with some magic as the Signal HD Spikers get their first win here on PVL On Tour. Now this is brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's Vitamin Powered Whitening Lotion.
that was already an ad-lib play